rectosigmoid anastomosis. After we cut this part where the tumor is, when we cut it away, then we're now going to attach this one to this one. Then it's
sigmoid to
rectosigmoid anastomosis.
Rectosigmoid anastomosis.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, but now, if the, please don't forget, it is the key, it is what they want to know. If the tumor is located in the lower part of the rectum, please don't cut.
Not cutting.
Yeah, you will not cut. Or you are going to do the type of surgery you are going to do, they call ileostoma.
Ileostoma.
How? You understand? See the difference now, right?
Yeah.
You understand it? You can explain what is rectosigmoid anastomosis for me?
Yeah, it's when the cancer is in the superior
part of the rectum.
Yeah.
But if it is in inferior, no. What you will do, ileostoma. What is ileostoma? Let us now say this is this person's body. This is the umbilicus, and then what you are going to do, let's say you're going to make an incision here in the part where there is ileum. You know ileum. Ileum is the last part of the small intestine.
Yeah.
You are going to put a tube into the ileum. Let's say so. Ileum is usually like this. So let's say we now pass this tube. You understand?
Yeah.
We bring it outside, and then it will be opened into a container. You understand, like a bag. Then this tool inside it will be coming out through this pipe. This process is what they call ileostoma. You understand? It is here. They will put it here, the tube. You understand?
Yeah.
On the other side, not this side. On the other side, on the right side. You understand?
Only in the right side.
Right side. This is left. That is right side.
Right side. Because rectum is there. Yeah.
It is actually not rectum we need, but it is ileum.
Ileum is there.
This ileum we need in this case. So they put, this is what they call ileostoma. So they put this thing in there because I told you. Do you remember what I said? The difference between here and here. This is superior. This is inferior.
Yeah.
What did I say about it? Okay, relating to pain.
Yeah, you say that if a tumor is here, you don't feel pain, but here you feel pain.
So then why is it that? Because most part of these, I told you, they are formed, their blood supply is from the body, kapha system. I gave example, porto kapha. Porto system means blood supply that are coming from inside the digestive system. Porta. But if this blood is coming from the systemic circulation, they call it kapha. So you remember about superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. And so that's why they call the name together. Where this blood that are supplying my hand, my head, my body, where they meet with the blood that is supplying the intestine, it is what they refer to as porto kapha anastomosis. So now you can see them. That is why I put this 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see them in some specific regions in the body. You can see them in the esophagus. That is why if somebody is suffering from portal hypertension, you are going to see they call it esophageal pheresis, dilation of the veins of the esophagus. You can see it in the area of the umbilicus. That is where you hear about the caput medusae. It is due to the increase in pressure of the veins that are connecting between the portal system and the kapha system. You can see it in the area of the rectum, because the blood supply that are supplying the upper part are from the portal, and the one that are supplying the lower are from the systemic. So they join together in this region, and they are going to get dilated due to the portal hypertension. And then again, we have a hemorrhoid in this case. You understand this?
Yeah.
So these are actually the main symptoms that you see in a situation whereby somebody is having portal hypertension. So the next thing is now going to be increase in size of the liver end of the spleen. They call it hepatosplenic, hepatomegaly, splenomegaly. So, based on this question, the most important answer they want you to mention, I have told you.
Yeah.
Another possible question they may ask to check your knowledge is, what do you know about the anatomy of the rectum?
Anatomy.
Now you know, right?
Yeah.
And then, what, if possibly, what other disease of the rectum can you identify?
They will ask like this also.
In case, but you know whether they ask.
Yeah.
Whether
Okay.
they don't ask.
But the main answer, and if you told them just surgical treatment they need.
Of course, but you cannot. If you, of course, is it first time you do exam in this